quick couple of notes from editing me. Two things. The first is around the second day of the video, you see like some red puffy go under my eye. It's all taken care of. I know I don't address it or anything, but I just figured before anyone said anything, I know it was there. I didn't address it in the video because I didn't think about it. Everything's fine, totally safe, nothing wrong there. And then the second is a little bit later in the video, it might come across as off color. We go to a place that I call Makeshift Zoo. That was a very bad representation of where we went. It was actually a nature conservatory. They take in disabled animals and take care of them. I just wanted to say that because we had an incredible experience there, and the person that walked us around for the couple hours we spent there was very clear on the mission of this place. And so I didn't want to say the words Makeshift Zoo and have it seem like it was anything less than like an animal sanctuary. So those are the two things. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for tuning in. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something fun. I know, different, exciting. It is September 18th and we are heading today over to his parents' house over in St. Pete, and we are going to spend a night over there before going to St. Pete Beach this weekend and kind of having like a nice little getaway. You know, we've been super safe through all of COVID and we're just getting a little room for the four of us to just hang out on the beach. We've been in Florida for how long now? 3 months almost, and we haven't been to the beach yet. So we are going to bring baby over to Grandma and Grandpa's house, and she's gonna hang out with their dog sitter while we go and do some paddleboarding on the beach.
I'm ready. Let's go.
All right, what are you most excited for?
I am most excited to get on my paddleboard. It has been months and months.
Long.
That cute little tiki bar
Yes.
that we can get drinks from. We're not going to go to it, but I think they do like a room service kind of deal. So pumped.
So here's to a really fun weekend, hanging out with Ben's parents, drinking at the tiki bar.
Heck yeah.
Maybe we'll find some beach volleyball. I'll keep you updated.
Don't even joke about that. Don't even joke about that.
Ben has a thing for beach volleyball. I don't know how to explain it.
I love it. I love it deeply, and I'm not even a sports ball kind of person.
Do you want a picture or a video? Because you're not doing anything. Okay. It's hot. Is it what you expected?
No, but it's really good.
All right, my turn.
Let me try this. Whoa, very nice. I do like this one.
The birthday girl.
Better than I thought it would be.
All right, so would you say Wild Child was a success?
Oh, I'm stuffed.
We are just now leaving the restaurant. We had 2 appetizers. We had chicken wings and stuffed chorizo stuffed dates. We all had a dinner. I had a veggie burger. Ben had...
I had KFC, but the better kind of KFC.
Korean barbecue fried chicken sandwich. Gina and Steve had some chicken. It was so good. They also got dessert. The drinks were good. Everything was good. If you're in the St. Pete area, go to Wild Child. That was fantastic. All right, so it's a good amount of hours later. It is now 11:21. We finished dinner at Wild Child, came back almost immediately, I would say, began Hamilton. We watched that for Gina's birthday. We watched Hamilton for Gina's birthday. And now it's 11:30 and we are getting ready for bed. We are bringing the dogs to the dog park tomorrow. And we're gonna start the day off pretty early for it being a weekend, huh, Brandy?
Yes.
You wanna introduce this big girl?
This is Rainbow. She is nervous all the time.
All of the time. She is Ben's parents' dog, and she has pretty bad chronic anxiety.
But she does have painted toenails. If you take a look down here.
Thank you.
Hey, it's an important part of her personality.
Yeah, so we just ate some Nutella in the corner because we're nighttime sweet gremlins. And now we're getting ready
I'm
for...
an all-the-time gremlin.
Now we are getting ready for our beach trip tomorrow. We'll see you probably next time at the dog park.
Oh, God. What's up, everybody?
Come on. Good morning. What are we doing today?
Good morning. We are. Oh my God! You can't laugh at me when I start vlogging, though.
Okay.
So why am I holding it so high?
I don't know, because you're tall.
Do I hold it like this? Do I hold it like?
I hold it like that.
You hold it like this?
Yeah.
Oh,
you want it a
interesting.
little up. Wow, I'm so short.
This is how I see you.
Good morning, everybody. It's not Saturday. I'm teaching him how to vlog since he's in charge of a couple videos in the next
I'm a bad
couple
student.
months.
I need to be taking notes right now. Just woke up. Tired, but excited. We are about to go to the dog park where our little crazy idiots are going to run themselves rampant, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Let's go.
That was not bad. Good job, baby. She's not really enjoying the company of other dogs. She is more or less just having fun in her own little world while everyone else is over in the corner playing. All right, so that was as much fun as it always is. I love going in there. Everyone who works there is so nice. I know I say this about everywhere I go, but truly Shoreline Sugars in downtown St. Petersburg, Florida, I cannot recommend it enough. If you are ever down here,
the style is immaculate.
the prices are like very fair and like it's all good quality. Big fan. I just bought a jumpsuit that they posted and I was so obsessed with it, I did like a digital drawing of it. So, and they kind of know who we are now because we're in like every weekend. Whoops. And I was like, do you have any left? Because I thought they were sold out and they had one more. It's a little big on me, but I'm gonna try to shrink it when we get home. I love it, I'm obsessed. And then there was also a green jacket that would count as like a good Florida winter jacket. There aren't enough stores where the associates are hyping you up.
That's true.
That's all I have to say about
they're
that.
so good.
All right, so Sushi Inc. was closed. They have new temporary hours. We didn't know, so now we're at a different place, the Lemongrass.
Yeah.
I forgot to take a video when we first got our food, but I got some type of curry with chicken, and Ben got sushi. Can you give them a bite of your cone while we're here?
Ooh, big fan.
We don't know if this is how you're supposed to eat it. I'm sorry if you're offended by the way he's doing that. Mine is fantastic. I love anything with like curry coconut milk kind of tea. Delicious. Make every time you take, every step you fake, I'll be watching you.
Every step I fake.
Every step you fake. Hey, so we are now stocked up on adult beverages. We just went to Publix liquor store on the way into Treasure Island, which is actually where we are. I thought we were going to St. Pete Beach, but as per usual, I am wrong. So now enjoy a little montage of us driving to the hotel, and that's it. Thanks, Steve. All right, it has been a fantastic day on the beach. I will catch you up on more later. We watched a wedding, but now we are going to dinner. We don't know where.
Somewhere.
Somewhere. Let's go.
We're here, waiting for dinner. Hey
How are
there.
Can I have a Diet Coke, please? Yeah.
Can I have a Coke for now, please? Thank you. Well, we're having some sea hags, but I was going to say we're going to have some caffeine in this.
It's beautiful.
Oh.
Very fun. Good choice. All right, so it has been many hours since I last picked up the camera. I promise I'll get more beach footage tomorrow, but I was supposed to bring my GoPro so I could actually get like in the waves in the water. And I forgot because, you know, when you're packing for yourself, your mans, and a dog, there's only so much you can remember. I'll give you a quick little tour of the place we're staying. Sorry, my eye is disgusting. We got this little like almost condo-like apartment where if you look, it has kitchen, it has 2 bedrooms, it has 2 bathrooms, washer, dryer. Steve and Gina are out on the patio right now that looks over the water. Just a very nice setup. So now we are heading back down in the elevator. It's like almost 11 p.m.
I was about to say, we kind of missed most of the day, but it's time to go get a sweet.
I explained earlier, I got what I could. When you're on the beach, you know, you don't bring your new expensive camera. You just don't. We had a great dinner at a place called Sea Hags. It was really good, beautiful. I liked being on the water more than I probably enjoyed
being in a
the
marina.
food. Very fun, very pretty. And now we're going to check out a cute little milkshake shop. We don't know if we're actually going to get a shake because it's like late and we're tired. Oh, he is. I guess I'm going to sip his. morning, everybody. I don't know if I
What's
ever closed out
happening?
last night, but we went to get M&Ms and then we sat on the porch and we people watched, and now it's the morning. And we are starting the morning off the only way we know how.
Double
with
fisting?
very large mimosas from the cafe that's here. And they gave us metal straws, which was just
They
such
were
a nice
very
touch.
sweet.
So now we are going to go for a nice little walkie walk on the beach, and I'm actually bringing my camera because I'm also bringing my purse to get some footage, but I want to do some shell collecting while I'm here. Get some shells to send home to my princess lamb. Get out of my drink. It's disrespectful.
I have nothing to say for myself. What you doing?
Get out.
Sally, those aren't going to do very well in this market.
That's for arts and crafts. Relax.
They're still not going to do well.
Look how pretty they are. Oh, look at this baby one. Hold on. It's literally like smaller than my thumb.
Hold on, wait, you gotta be careful. This foot content is only for Patreon.
Relax. We're in John's Pass.
John's Pass in Treasure
And
Island.
where are we going first?
Spice Shop.
We're going, oh, I thought we were going Just Hats first.
Oh, well then let's go to Just Hats.
We're gonna go to Just Hats. I don't think the bow's supposed to be in the front. His reaction to looking at ice cream every single time. So I tried the boba. Here it is. It's mango boba with strawberry boba explosion beads. I forget what they were called. I've tried a sip. I'm not gonna pretend like this is my first one. But I like can't figure it out. I think I like it. It tastes more than anything kind of like watered down ice cream. I don't know. It's good. I don't think I will be ordering it again, but it's not bad. Like, it's just if you're gonna have a dessert, I'd rather have something a little bit more intense. The best part is these little red beads at the bottom, in my opinion. Ben, what would you say?
Don't talk to them alone.
Oh, are you getting jealous?
I am. It's a lot sweeter than I was expecting.
Yeah, I said
It's
it tasted
still a
like
little
watered
tart,
down. I said it tasted like watered down ice cream.
It's sweet and tart. Watered down ice cream is a good description. I don't like the bobas flying into my mouth.
I disagree. But I'm very happy that I have tried it.
Do you want to see the most Florida thing ever?
What is it?
There's people coming.
Okay, so off kind of a whim, we saw a sign that said, "Come kiss gators," and we were like, "Excuse me?" And now we're at some kind of makeshift zoo. And now we're looking at baby gators.
Now you can call yourself a Floridian.
I've now seen a gator.
You've now seen gators.
Look, I've seen gators swimming.
What's up, little guy?
Wow. Hello. Come on. Yes.
Wow. Your sister let herself go.
No.
Well, it's time to make the donuts.
Don't make it a donut. And after an incredible, fantastic, beautiful, I can't use enough adjectives weekend, it is now Sunday night. We are going to sleep. I would say I'll film tomorrow, but come here, sunshine. We are leaving at 6:30 in the morning to get back home in time to start work at 8 a.m. So I will not be filming tomorrow. We're gonna close it out here. I know I didn't film everything. Oh, we went to a restaurant called Caddy's today. You saw a little bit of the nature conservatory we went to. John's Pass, which was like a boardwalk with lots of shops. We went to a lot of incredible places. I know this is very fragmented.
Someone
but
didn't like boba tea.
I did not like boba tea
Oh, that's
very
right.
much.
We
filmed.
got video.
That I got.
We got video.
But long story short, this is a fragmented video. I got bits and pieces of this weekend. I don't like whipping my camera out when I'm having great moments with Ben and his family. I don't want to stick the cameras in their faces. I want to use these like a video diary to remember everything later. So that's this week. I will see you guys next Monday. Thank you so much for watching. If you ever go to where are we? If you ever go to Treasure Island, do all the stuff we said to do. I'll see you on Monday.